Do you know that more than 1 out of every 3 seniors in America suffers from painful nighttime leg cramps? That means over 20 million older adults are struggling with sudden, sharp muscle spasms that steal away peaceful sleep. And here's the shocking part. Most people don't realize that a simple yellow fruit sitting on their kitchen counter may hold one of the most effective answers. Yes, I'm talking about the banana. Bananas are not just a breakfast snack. They are a potassium powerhouse, a magnesium booster, and a hydration helper, all packed into one natural remedy. And yet, so many seniors overlook this fruit when searching for relief. Before we dive deeper, let me pause and ask you something important. If you care about your health, your independence, and living without the constant worry of painful leg cramps, make sure to subscribe to this channel right now, because what I'm about to share could truly change your daily comfort. Now, as a physician with more than 10 years of experience caring for older adults, I have seen countless remedies come and go, but bananas remain one of the most consistent, reliable, and scientifically supported foods for muscle cramp prevention. In this video, I will guide you through exactly why bananas work, how they affect the body, and the best way seniors can use them safely. We will explore the science, we will look at real-life results, and most importantly, we will learn how something so simple can bring back comfort, mobility, and peace of mind. So, let's begin this journey, because the answer to your painful leg cramps might just be hiding inside a banana peel. Let's start with a simple question. Why do leg cramps become more common as we grow older? The answer lies in the body's natural changes with age. First, our muscles lose strength and flexibility over time. Second, our nerves that control muscles become less efficient with age. Third, many seniors take medications, such as diuretics, statins, or blood pressure pills, that can deplete important minerals. And fourth, dehydration becomes more frequent because the thirst mechanism weakens with age. When you combine all of these, the result is a perfect storm: painful muscle cramps that often strike at night. Now let's talk about what a cramp actually is. A leg cramp is a sudden, involuntary contraction of a muscle, most commonly in the calf. It feels sharp. It feels intense. And in seniors, it can last anywhere from 30 seconds to several painful minutes. Studies show that over 37% of adults over 60 experience nighttime leg cramps at least once per month, and nearly 1 in 5 seniors suffer them weekly. This is not just an inconvenience, it is a serious quality of life issue. Now, where do bananas come into this story? Bananas are one of the richest natural sources of potassium. Potassium is a critical mineral that helps your muscles contract and relax smoothly. Without enough potassium, your muscles misfire, leading to cramps. Bananas also contain magnesium, another mineral that calms overactive nerves and relaxes tight muscles. In fact, magnesium is often called the anti-cramp mineral. But there's more. Bananas carry natural sugars and water content, which aid hydration and energy balance. Together, potassium, magnesium, and hydration create the perfect recipe for reducing the frequency and severity of cramps. That is why so many doctors recommend bananas as a first-line nutritional solution for muscle cramps. And the best part? Bananas are gentle on the stomach, affordable, and widely available, making them an ideal choice for seniors. So the science is clear. Bananas are not just a snack. They are muscle protectors. In the next part, we'll discuss the best times of day to eat bananas and how to incorporate them safely into a senior's diet without raising blood sugar levels. Now that we understand how bananas help, the next question is simple. When is the best time to eat a banana to stop leg cramps? The answer depends on when your cramps usually happen. If your cramps strike at night, a banana in the evening may help maintain steady potassium and magnesium levels while you sleep. If your cramps occur after walking or exercise, a banana 30 minutes before activity can prevent muscle fatigue. And if you wake up in the morning with cramps, a banana at breakfast can keep your electrolytes balanced for the day ahead. So the best strategy is this: match the banana to your cramp timing. Now, how many bananas should seniors eat per day? For most older adults, 1 banana daily is enough to see benefits. Some may need 2 bananas per day if cramps are frequent, but this should be done carefully. Because here's an important safety note. Bananas are high in potassium. If you have kidney disease or take medications that affect potassium, such as ACE inhibitors, ARBs, or potassium-sparing diuretics, you must consult your doctor first. Too much potassium can build up in the blood, causing dangerous heart rhythm problems. For healthy seniors without kidney disease, 1 banana a day is generally safe and very beneficial. But what if you are a senior living with diabetes? Good news. Bananas can still be part of your diet. Choose a small or medium banana, not an oversized one, and pair it with protein or healthy fat, like a spoon of peanut butter or a handful of almonds, to keep blood sugar levels steady. This way, you get the muscle-relaxing benefits without a sugar spike. Bananas can also be blended into a smoothie with Greek yogurt, spinach, and water, making a nutrient-packed drink for seniors who prefer soft foods. Remember, it's not just about eating bananas, it's about eating them at the right time, in the right way, and in the right amount. This simple habit can dramatically reduce the frequency of leg cramps. In the next part, we will explore other powerful nutrients that work together with bananas to keep senior muscles relaxed and cramp-free. By now, you understand that bananas are a powerful tool against leg cramps. But here's the truth. Bananas work even better when combined with other nutrients and healthy habits. Let's start with calcium. Calcium plays a critical role in helping muscles contract and relax. Low calcium levels can make cramps more frequent. Good sources for seniors include low-fat milk, yogurt, or fortified plant-based milk alternatives. When you combine calcium with the potassium and magnesium in bananas, your muscles stay balanced and strong. Next, let's talk about hydration. Even mild dehydration can trigger cramps. In fact, studies show that seniors who drink less than 4 cups of water daily are far more likely to suffer nighttime cramps. So here's a simple rule. Every banana should be paired with a glass of water. This ensures the minerals can flow through your muscles effectively. Now, let's add magnesium-rich foods. Bananas contain magnesium, but pairing them with foods like spinach, pumpkin seeds, or almonds gives your body an even stronger cramp defense. Think of it as building a protective shield for your muscles. And don't forget stretching. A short calf stretch before bed, combined with a banana in the evening, is one of the simplest and most reliable ways to prevent painful night cramps. There's also one more trick. Tart cherry juice has been shown to reduce muscle soreness and improve sleep quality. When seniors combine tart cherry juice with a banana, they are feeding their muscles and their rest at the same time. So here's the formula I recommend. A banana, a glass of water, a source of calcium or magnesium, and a simple stretch routine. Together, this creates a comprehensive cramp prevention system that goes beyond medication. In the next part, we will examine the scientific studies that prove bananas and these companion strategies truly work for seniors. Now let's shift our focus to the science. Do bananas really help, or is it just a popular belief? Research has given us some clear answers. One clinical study showed that athletes who consumed bananas before exercise had higher potassium levels and fewer cramps compared to those who did not. Another study in seniors found that diets rich in potassium and magnesium reduced the risk of nighttime cramps by more than 40%. That is not coincidence. That is science at work. Bananas act as a natural electrolyte replacement, restoring balance to muscles without the side effects of medication. And unlike pills, bananas also bring along fiber, antioxidants, and gentle hydration. Now, I know many of you watching have your own questions about leg cramps, diet, and senior health. That's why I want to remind you. For health-related queries, you can email me directly at seniorcitizenstalk@gmail.com. Every day, I review questions from seniors just like you, and your concerns may be featured in future videos. So remember, the science supports it, and the medical community confirms it. Bananas are a proven, natural way to ease leg cramps. In the next part, we'll discuss common myths about bananas and why some seniors avoid them unnecessarily. Now let's clear up some confusion. Bananas are one of the most misunderstood fruits among seniors. Many avoid them because of myths and half-truths. Myth number 1. Bananas are bad for diabetes. The truth is, bananas can be safely enjoyed by seniors with diabetes when eaten in moderation. A small or medium banana paired with protein, like a few nuts or yogurt, keeps blood sugar levels stable. So diabetes is not a reason to avoid bananas, it is a reason to eat them wisely. Myth number 2. Bananas cause weight gain. One banana contains only about 100 calories, similar to a slice of bread. But unlike bread, bananas deliver potassium, magnesium, and fiber. They are far more beneficial and do not automatically cause weight gain. In fact, bananas can replace sugary snacks and help control appetite. Myth number 3. Bananas are too high in potassium and dangerous. The truth is, potassium is essential for healthy muscles and heart function. For most seniors with normal kidney function, 1 banana per day is completely safe. Yes, seniors with kidney disease or those on certain medications must be cautious, but that does not apply to everyone. Myth number 4. Bananas are just a fruit, they can't stop cramps. This is the most dangerous myth. Scientific studies and clinical experience both prove that bananas, rich in potassium and magnesium, reduce cramp frequency significantly. So do not dismiss bananas as just a fruit. They are a natural medicine from nature's pharmacy. By clearing away these myths, seniors can feel confident that bananas are a safe, effective, and affordable way to fight leg cramps. In the next part, we'll dive into step-by-step routines, showing exactly how seniors can fit bananas into their daily lifestyle for maximum relief. Now let's put the science into practice. Here is a simple, step-by-step daily routine for seniors to prevent leg cramps using bananas. Morning. Start your day with a small to medium banana at breakfast. Pair it with a source of protein, such as yogurt or a boiled egg. This combination balances blood sugar while fueling your muscles with potassium. Midday. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 1 glass of water with lunch, and if you prefer, add a few slices of banana into a smoothie with spinach or almond milk. This creates a potassium, calcium, magnesium blend that supports muscle relaxation. Afternoon. If you enjoy a light snack, choose half a banana with a handful of nuts. This not only reduces hunger, but also adds magnesium to your body's reserves. Evening. One of the most important times for banana use is the evening. If you suffer from night cramps, eat a banana about 1 hour before bedtime. Drink a glass of water along with it, and perform a gentle calf stretch for 30 seconds. This routine lowers the risk of sudden cramps while you sleep. Before bed, keep a glass of water near your bed. Dehydration during the night can trigger cramps, even if your potassium is balanced. And remember, consistency is the key. 1 banana today may help, but a steady daily habit creates lasting results. By following this routine, many seniors notice a significant drop in the frequency and intensity of their leg cramps. In the next part, we'll talk about how bananas compare to other common remedies for cramps, such as supplements, sports drinks, and medications. Many seniors ask me this question. Doctor, should I take a pill, a sports drink, or just eat a banana? Let's compare the options. Magnesium supplements. These are widely advertised for cramps. Yes, they can help, but they sometimes cause digestive side effects like diarrhea. Bananas provide magnesium naturally, in smaller but safer amounts, and without side effects. Potassium pills. These are often prescribed for people with serious deficiencies, but too much potassium in pill form can be dangerous for the heart. Bananas deliver potassium gradually, in a safe, food-based way. Sports drinks. Many people turn to electrolyte drinks like Gatorade. The problem? They often contain high amounts of sugar and artificial coloring. For seniors, this can raise blood sugar and harm dental health. A banana with a glass of water provides the same electrolytes, without the extra sugar load. Prescription medications. Sometimes doctors prescribe muscle relaxants or quinine for severe cramps. These can work, but they carry risks, drowsiness, drug interactions, or even heart rhythm problems. Bananas, on the other hand, are safe for daily use, affordable, and free from dangerous side effects for most seniors. So here's the takeaway. Bananas are not just a snack. They are a first-line, natural defense against cramps, while pills and drinks should only be used when truly necessary. Simple, safe, and effective. That's the banana advantage. We have come to the end of our journey, and along the way, we uncovered something powerful. Leg cramps, one of the most common struggles for seniors, can often be eased with something as simple as a banana. Bananas restore potassium and magnesium, calming overactive muscles. They support hydration and keep the nerves and muscles balanced. They are safe, natural, affordable, and easy to include in your daily life. But remember, bananas are not just for cramps. They also protect the heart by regulating blood pressure. They support the brain by providing steady glucose for memory and focus. They aid digestion with gentle fiber, preventing constipation, another common issue in seniors. And they lift mood and energy, making everyday life easier and more comfortable. So the humble banana is not just a fruit. It is a senior's ally for healthy living. Now, if you are a senior struggling with cramps, try adding just 1 banana a day to your routine. Combine it with water, stretching, and a balanced diet, and watch the difference it makes in your comfort and independence. Before we close, let me remind you, For health-related queries, you can email me directly at seniorcitizenstalk@gmail.com. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss new guidance designed to improve senior health. Because knowledge is medicine, and small, simple steps, like eating a banana, can bring big relief. Thank you for joining me today. Stay healthy, stay active, and remember, your best years can still be cramp-free years.